Welcome. So, my last question was, what do you do when you feel sad or lonely? Let's talk about that. Nice chair. So you love someone, you know that he is a flirt with everybody else, but you can't stop loving him. You know that he's not the right one for you. You tried so many times to stop this love. When you forgot, you suddenly see him and then you're back broken again. You're sad because your friend speaks French and you don't speak it. Well, my friend, let me tell you this, you are not alone. It's actually how you take it, how you deal with it. You think you lost your base to stand on? You are the base. We're made of ground. Do you know what does that mean? It means that we have its features. We are strong like the ground. We can rebuild our new bases again and again each time we fail. It's our nature. Just like how farmers turn the ground every time before starting a new crop. What we need to do is to focus on being busy building that base again. Let me tell you what's happening. This is what I see when I read Surah Al-Kahf in the part when it says وَكَيْفَ تَصْبِرُ عَلَى مَا لَمْ تُحِطْ بِهِ خُبْرًا, which means that how would you have patience for things that you don't know about? So what I learned is that we won't be able to know the benefits that might come or will come out of the hard situation and that we see it's bad in our life. You're very stubborn. You only focus on what you desire. You go to Facebook, you check on his profile and oh, there is a block, so you ask your friend to check the profile for you. You are focusing on him building his life. What about you? Have a good one. However, if you step out and have a look at your life, you will notice that the good things happened because of the bad things happened, and you literally thought that it was bad. Think again. You know, when I was in high school, I wanted to be an engineer, but later I wasn't able to be honest. Thinking back then, if I became an engineer, I wasn't gonna be talking to you right now. I wasn't gonna come here. Yeah, you never know. Think about things like that. Double think. Life is short, and there's no time to waste on what or with who pulls us down. Yeah, move on. You're not a tree. It's your valuable time. Don't allow anybody to steal your happiness. Yeah, move on. Make history. Otherwise, you could just stay there, be sad, and you can grab people's attention, seek their sympathy, love and care. It could be an option for a period of time, but sooner people will get busy with their own fights. People change, as this is also one of our nature, is to change. This could also lead them one day to use your secrets against you, to control you or even to judge you. I can assure you that only one will be always busy for you. It's your Creator. God is the only one will never get bored from you.
God is always there for you, and He sent you keys. Use them.
Use them. Use them. Use them. Use them. Use them. Use them.
We will never be alone in our relationship with God.
Can't do with Him.
Seek His guidance. Seek His guidance.
Just like birds. Do you hear the birds in the morning? Birds are the best examples to teach us how to say dua and how to pray. Next time you hear a bird, think. Do you ask God the same way? Do you pray like that? Do you say dua like that? Listen.
You can't do it with Him.
When you pray, be like a bird.